Like be real fun. We out here fishing, having fun. Got people chilling out all night out here. Got a bird right there. See the bird? What's up, birdie? Oh, you gone now. It's all good. So we out here fishing, out here chilling like we always do. Different locations, do the same thing. So far, we got one flounder. Yep. See that fish along the power lines right there? Sheepshead, flounder. The farther you go on the bridge, the deeper it gets. So I'm out here just chilling right now. Alright, you guys should have a good day now. Peace out.